Data privacy means so much more than cutting and pasting a privacy policy to your website. Yet given the complexity of laws like the CCPA and GDPR, it may be difficult for you to even know where to start. In this video, I break down the 5 major steps to starting a data privacy program. These steps are knowing the laws that affect your business, mapping your data, implementing a privacy framework, implementing a security framework, and developing an incident response plan. To get started, write down your industry, all the locations where you do business, and all the locations where your customers or users are located. This will help you or your attorney determine which privacy laws affect you. Next, you will want to map your data. List all of your company's data collection practices by department and describe the categories of individuals you collect data from, the categories of data you collect, the purpose of your collection, who you share the data with, and for what purpose. Then list your security measures for the different types of data. If you have limited resources, start with a simple spreadsheet and ask other department members to collaborate. If you have more resources, you can seek the assistance of third-party vendors that can help you automate the discovery and classification of data in your systems. Be careful though, most businesses have more data than they think. Be sure to consider all cloud platforms like Dropbox, Box, AWS, and Azure, legacy systems that may be storing data, and customer relationship management software solutions. You will also want to create a privacy framework for your organization. You will want to designate an individual or team who will be responsible for overseeing privacy at your business. Then, you can draft an external privacy policy for your website and internal privacy policies to govern your business. These internal policies include, but are not limited to, data protection provisions in your employee handbook and training manuals, data retention policies, international transfer mechanisms, and vendor management policies. To protect the privacy of data, you need to secure it. Most laws require a risk-based approach to protecting data, and so cybersecurity is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Some great places to look at for cybersecurity best practices include the Center for Internet Security Controls, National Institute for Standards and Technology, and the ISO standards. Finally, develop an incident response plan and test it. Even the most secure businesses can get hacked, and you reduce your exposure by responding to an incident quickly. I hope these 5 steps help you succeed with your company's privacy management program. If you need any assistance with the process, feel free to contact me to schedule a free 15-minute consultation.